welcome back to another Civilians video. Summertime is the perfect time to host a tropical themed celebration. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create a unique bird of paradise napkin fold that you can use to bring the tropical vibes to your next luau. Let's begin! Begin by folding your napkin in half horizontally. Fold it in half once more to form a square. Then create a triangle and place your napkin with the open tip facing up. Next, fold the side corners down along the center of the triangle. Tuck back the 2 points at the bottom of your napkin. Now fold the triangle in half. Lastly, hold your napkin by the base and pull the corners up and out to create the petals for your bird of paradise flower. Once the napkins are ready, I'm setting the table and adding the finishing touches to this tropical luau kids party. Thank you so much for watching this video. What other napkin folds would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.